Hey, naturals. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest threats to our planet. Did you know that every year, nearly 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean? That's equal to nearly 90 aircraft carriers. And even more alarming is that most plastic is not recycled properly. So what can we do about this? Well, one way to help the situation is to stop using single-use plastics. One step towards that goal is switching to plastic-free grocery shopping. This helps reduce waste, protect wildlife, and create a healthier environment for generations to come. But how do you go plastic-free grocery shopping? Keep watching. We've got you covered in this video. Number 1. Always carry reusable bags. You may have heard the phrase reduce, reuse, recycle before. Well, it's true. Reducing or avoiding the use of plastic bags is one of the best ways to reduce plastic waste. Every year, 1 trillion plastic bags are produced worldwide. And while many of them end up in landfills, a large number also end up in the ocean, harming marine life and polluting the environment. So always carry reusable bags with you when you go shopping. Cloth or jute bags are good options. These are sturdy and can replace multiple plastic bags. Ideally, choose bags made of thick, durable material so they can be used over and over again. Number 2. Choose loose produce. Purchasing unpackaged fruits and veggies is another great way to cut down on plastic waste. Not only does it reduce the amount of plastic packaging, but it also often works out to be more cost-effective. There was a study conducted by Oregon State University that found that plastic, vegetable, and fruit packaging is unnecessary and poses a serious threat to the environment. While some stores still don't permit shoppers to bring their own bags or containers into the produce section due to hygiene concerns, many stores now allow it. If your store allows it, use your own mesh produce bags to pack your fruits and vegetables. You can find affordable organic cotton produce bags online or at many supermarkets. If your store doesn't allow outside bags or containers, wash your hands thoroughly before touching any produce and put the produce straight into your reusable shopping bag. Number 3. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money. It can also save plastic. Opting to buy grains, nuts and spices in bulk rather than in plastic containers will help cut down on plastic usage. Many stores now offer bulk bins where you can buy exactly how much of a product you need and put it in your own container. So if you aren't planning on eating the entire package of crackers or cereal, consider buying only what you need in bulk. Just remember to bring your own containers or bags to fill. Glass, stainless steel or BPA-free plastic containers work well for most things, but be sure that any container you use is clean and dry before filling it up. To avoid contamination, you can line containers with a lightweight plastic bag or a piece of parchment paper to make it easier to scoop certain items. Number 4. Say no to plastic-wrapped items. Another way to reduce plastic consumption is to say no to items that are individually wrapped in plastic. Choose items that are wrapped in paper or cardboard. Opt for loose items whenever possible. Things like bread, bagels, and pastries are often sold in plastic wrap. You can ask the baker to put your items in a paper bag. Be sure to bring your own bread and pastry bags to the checkout so that the cashier doesn't bag them in plastic. If you're buying cheese, avoid individually wrapped slices or shredded cheese. Instead, get a block of cheese wrapped in paper or cardboard. Then slice it yourself at home using a knife or cheese slicer. Most stores have a deli section where you can buy meats and cheeses sliced to order. Ask the deli worker to put your selections in your own reusable container. Sliced cheeses are usually wrapped in plastic, so if you want to avoid plastic altogether, purchase a block of cheese and slice it yourself. Make it a habit to look for items without plastic wrap or packaging. If all the cheese available is wrapped in plastic, opt for a different dairy product. Similarly, if all the breads are in plastic, skip the bread and choose a different item. Don't settle for plastic-wrapped items just because they're convenient. Instead, look for alternatives like paper wrapping or loose items. If a product is not available in a plastic-free option, don't buy it. Instead, look for the same product at another store that does offer a plastic-free alternative. In the long run, you'll not only be reducing plastic waste, but you'll also be saving money by avoiding the costs of purchasing unnecessary plastic packaging. Number 5. Bring your own containers. This tip is similar to the last. When you shop at the deli or bakery counters, it's common for packaged foods to be placed in plastic containers or disposable plates. Avoid this by bringing your own containers for deli and bakery items. This applies to hot foods as well. If you buy fried chicken or pizza, for example, request that it not be placed in a plastic container or box. Instead, Put it in your own reusable container. If the item is hot, place the container in a bag or wrap it in a towel to insulate it before putting it in your car. Number 6. Shop at farmers markets. Shopping at farmers markets is another great way to reduce plastic waste. Farmers markets typically have less plastic packaging, making it easier to avoid single-use plastics. You can also often find fresher produce since the items were most likely picked the same day. If there are multiple farmers markets in your area, visit more than one. This will reduce the temptation to buy non-essential or packaged items you might see at a single market. Check out community bulletin boards or local buy nothing groups to see if anyone is giving away free produce. If you live in a community with an abundance of fresh produce, you may be able to get items like tomatoes, squash, and extra fruit for free. Number 7. Make or buy plastic-free household and cleaning products. Almost all cleaning and household products come in plastic bottles. Switch to plastic-free products such as those made from paper or cardboard. Consider making your own cleaning products. There are plenty of recipes online that use inexpensive, non-toxic ingredients that are better for the environment and your health. Many stores now have refill stations for household and personal care products. These are often cheaper per gallon than buying the name brand products at the supermarket. If you use essential oils, dilute them with water in your own spray bottle and use it as a natural air freshener. So there you have it. 7 simple ways to avoid single-use plastic while grocery shopping. Every small change counts. Start with one plastic-free swap today and inspire others to do the same. Together, we can make a difference and reduce plastic waste. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you think is the most helpful, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Also, if you're interested in learning more about environmentally friendly living or other ways to reduce plastic waste, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy.